Hi, welcome to another CodeSpace video. In this tutorial, I will be mainly showing how to install an AngularJS 5 application and how to get started with it. For that, we require Node.js in our machine. Since I have already installed, so I will skip this. You can just download it from this link. I have installed 8.9.4 long-term support. So once it gets installed, you can directly go to command prompt and write npm install -g angular CLI. I'll install it globally so that I can use the angular CLI commands. So now we can see that it got installed. So we'll go and create an app with AngularJS 5. For this we require ng new and the app name. So app name will give Angular 5. So you can see that the project got created and it is now installing the dependencies. So it may take nearly 2 to 3 minutes of time. So once all the node modules got downloaded, we'll go and open this project using Visual Studio Code IDE. So now we'll go and just run ng serve -open. So -open will basically open the default browser. So now we can see that it opened the Chrome browser with localhost 4000 port, and we can see our app is up and running. Now we'll go and try to change that welcome to app. For that we'll go to src folder, app folder, and in app.component.html we can see that here it is written welcome to, and it's given as the curly braces title. So I have changed this line. So instead of title I have given our channel name. So that channel name should exist in app component.ts. So ts is basically a TypeScript file. So here I have given the channel name. Now we'll go and check the web page. So we can see that don't forget to subscribe to my channel. CodeSpace has been printed. That's all for this video. Don't forget to hit the like button also. Thanks for watching.